welcome to Craft My World. If you're new to the channel, make sure to like and subscribe to help me, and you can get more videos. Today we'll be learning how to make this magic cube. So first you need to get any piece of paper that is square. Like, you can get colored or plain. It's harder with plain since it's white. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna get one piece of paper, like your piece of paper, and what you're gonna do is fold it this way. Like this. And then what you're gonna do is you're gonna fold it again, like this. Okay, so from then on you're gonna unfold it, and then what you're going to do is you're going to fold two corners opposite from each other, like this. And now what you're going to do is you're going to get it again. Get that same corner and fold it upwards. Straight to the line. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold it like this, and then you're going to put the corner to this bit. See the corner, this bit? Now what you're going to do is get this bit and fold it up. Now you do the same. Just make sure it looks like this. Now what you're going to do is you're going to fold this diagonally and make sure it matches up with this line. See how it matches up with this line? Okay, now you're going to do the same with this. So remember, fold it. Corners opposite to each other, fold up. And then grab the other part, fold it in to the line. Make sure at the start you fold it into little triangles. So on this part, corner, fold up. Now remember, point up to here, and then fold it diagonally upwards, and then make an ice cream cone shape, and then get the longer side, fold it downwards, and there you go. You've repeated it on both sides. Okay, so now you got both of them. You're gonna get them face down, so it looks like a little bee. It's like a bee with wings. Now what you're going to do is you're going to get this flappy part, see? And then you're going to, see this part? You're going to put that little flappy part and slide it in now. And then you flip it over and do the same on the other side. Now, what you're going to do is you've got yellow on the blue side, yellow on the blue side, and blue on the yellow side. Now what you're going to do is just adjust it a bit so it looks like a bee with wings. A bee with wings. Okay, so now you're going to get just one flap and fold it inwards like this. Then you're going to get the other flap and do the exact same thing. Now you flip it over and do the same. Now what we're going to do is get some tape. Get a bit. Then you're going to stick these pieces together, then do the same on the other side. Okay, now here's time for the magic part. So make sure your fingers are like that, and then you twist it. You can use all of your hand and just make a few adjustments until you make a little square, and then you can fold it down like this. Bye. I hope you had a great time watching me. Bye. See you next time.